Hello, and welcome to Intelligent Sales Execution. Here we have our Pipeline Manager module. This module presents the user with a singular view of their pipeline for their chosen month or quarter, and uses the SalesCloud machine learning score to identify the opportunities that require course correction. Each bubble on the chart represents an individual opportunity. The bigger the bubble, the bigger the opportunity value. The color of the bubble is dictated by the SalesCloud machine learning score. Opportunities with a high probability to close appear in green. Those with an average chance of closing appear as yellow, whereas those with a lower chance of closing appear in red. The pipeline chart defaults to the current fiscal period according to my organization's fiscal period definition. However, I can change the time period via the period picker on the top right corner. I can also determine which currency I wish to use to display my aggregate totals. The aggregate totals are a sum of opportunities in each forecast category, as well as my closed won totals. I can slice and dice my pipeline via the filter option and limit my view to opportunities containing certain products, for example, or also in certain sales phases. It is also possible to traverse my hierarchy via the hierarchy filter. On the chart itself, I can click on a bubble, and a quick view automatically slides out where I can further investigate the deal. On the table at the bottom there are two tabs. On the territory roll-up I can see rolled up totals for every territory node in a single view. And on the live opportunities tab I can see my full list of opportunities along with their key fields. It is also possible to inline edit my opportunities from this view. Here is the Intelligent Sales Execution Forecast Tracker module. Forecast Tracker allows the user to perform forecast simulations against their pipeline and submit a forecast based on those simulations. This module provides a clean, real-time and intuitive forecasting workflow that gets the sales team out of spreadsheets and into a shared, singular view of the forecast. The graph on this screen captures all prior forecast submissions for the quarter and allows me to quickly identify any volatility in the forecast. I can click on a forecast submission point to view historical submissions rolling up to me from my team. Additionally, I can track how actual live pipeline is trending towards my forecast by comparing the solid coloured lines to the dotted submission lines. As a sales rep, when I wish to submit a fresh forecast, I can click into my Live Opportunities tab and perform simulations against the forecast category and amount fields. I can also remove opportunities entirely from the forecast via the opportunity toggle. As I make these changes, the numbers above the graph, which represent my real-time forecast, will update. I can also add a comment to an opportunity if I wish to provide additional context on how that opportunity is progressing. As a manager, I can click back into my territory roll-up and see the submissions for each of the territory nodes rolling up to me. When I am ready to submit a forecast, I can simply click on the Submit Forecast button, and the resulting modal provides three options for making a submission. I can simply resubmit my last submission. However, I can also choose from a live roll-up, which is a sum of all my opportunities, including my simulations, or a territory roll-up, which is the sum of what my team is calling. I can also add a comment for further insight into my numbers. Here is the Intelligent Sales Execution Pipeline Flow module. This module allows the user to quickly and easily figure out how their pipeline has changed over a given time period. For example, if my pipeline has dropped from 100 million to 95 million over the course of a week, I can figure out why without getting sales operations involved or attempting to run lengthy reports. I can load the module for any given quarter, month, or year, and then select the period over which I would like to view the changes. For example, this week or last week, this month or last month. I can also apply a custom range if I wish to view a more specific time period. Let's look at this month. I can immediately see how my pipeline has evolved. What has happened to the opportunities we said were in commit at the start of the month? Have any opportunities been pushed to next quarter? Have any previously commit opportunities been moved to close lost? What new pipeline has been created? Simply click on any bucket to see all opportunities that were in a certain category, and then click on a link to further zero in on how those opportunities have changed. The chart is bidirectional, meaning that I can click on either side to get a complete picture of how my pipeline has evolved.